Jay Leno is recovering after a frightening fall while here in our area.
Well, the hill doesn't look that steep. Let me take it down! And then
You rolled down a hill?
Oh, shit.
That's not true.
No, that's true.
You don't think this hill's the hill?
I don't think this is the hill. I think the hill's over there.
I could see how you break your... Oh, no, this hill's pretty good. It got stepping. Oh, okay, we slipped a little bit. All right. Not trying to end up like Jay Leno. Not trying to end up like Jay Leno. There we go. There we go. It's time to check back in on the Jay Leno Hill. And there it is, folks. Roughly 1 year later, we made it back to the Jay Leno Hill and the Jay Leno Hampton Inn. And it is snow covered. You got some people smoking cigarettes outside on their break. Things have changed, and wow, Dino's is gone. No more Dino's. That's where we stopped, where Jay Leno was rumored to want to stop and have a meal. It's gone. Right back to where it all started, folks. You got the snow covering it. One time for Jay Leno. I don't know if I can make it up. I don't want to end up like Jay. I don't want to end up like Jay. Mission aborted. Mission aborted. There you have it, folks. I tried climbing the Jay Leno Hill in celebration, but I couldn't do it. The snow, it's too packed. My shoes don't have the grip required. The Jay Leno Hill climb, it's a fail, but at least we came to pay respect to it again. Rest in peace to Dino's. And if you're in the Pittsburgh area, make sure you come check out the Jay Leno Hill. Shout out to the Jay Leno Hill. Just too covered today. Unable to make the ascent. Now, there was a lot of controversy when Jay Leno fell down the hill that it was actually this hill that he fell down, and also another hill over there, which isn't really a hill, but I'll cover that area in a second. But there was some rumors that he actually fell down this hill, but I mean, look at this thing. This thing's a monster. And also, there's no restaurants here. This is office space, so no restaurant for Jay Leno to go eat at. So that hill is debunked. And there's the proof: insurance, asset management, and healthcare. No restaurants. The third rumor was that Jay Leno actually ate at this restaurant and fell down another hill. But folks, there is no hill. This is just straight down the road from where we were at the Hampton Inn. So it can officially be confirmed that the correct Jay Leno Hill is the hill we just tried to climb. Closed. Okay, well, no pizza for us. I was going to recap the Jay Leno revisiting experience over a slice of pizza, but we'll have to do it without the pizza. First off, rest in peace to Dino's. I was really hoping to sit there and have a Labatt Blue and maybe a little popcorn in honor of Jay Leno, but we couldn't even do that. So clearly the environment around the Jay Leno Hill is changing. Could it have been due to the Jay Leno Hill fall that Dino's perhaps moved or closed business? Who knows? Maybe they wanted to get away from the location. It was too hot for them to handle. Who knows? Second takeaway, I wish I wore cleats so I could have climbed the hill. I have these flat skateboarder shoes on, Adidas skateboarding shoes. Just not gonna get the job done, so I have to plan better for my next visit to the Jay Leno Hill. I hope to make this an annual visit, maybe even biannual. We'll go to the Jay Leno Hill, pay our respect. We'll have to find a new restaurant too to go have our Jay Leno respect beer. I will be at the Steelers-Texans game this upcoming Monday for the wild card playoff game. Thanks for watching.